How to enable and set up Dolby Atmos on Samsung phone. So Dolby Atmos is the feature which provides 3D sound surround experience, which means that you will get more immersive sound experience. So I'll show you where to find this feature, how to enable and set it up. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and open settings. And now scroll a bit down till the sounds and vibration section. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down to see the option sound quality and effects. Tap on that. And after that, you will immediately find Dolby Atmos. As a first step, click on the feature and enable by toggle on the switch. With this feature, you can experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flows above and around you. So turn that on and then choose the mode. If you don't know what you're planning to listen, whether it would be movie, maybe audio, music, and so on, just tap auto option to optimize sound automatically for whatever you're listening to. If you know that you're planning to watch movie and want to get more immersive sound experience, tap on the movie option. Now if music, just tap on the music, and if voice, just click the voice option. So just choose any option from the list. And after that, when you will play a song or turn on a movie, this feature will be turned on automatically and adjust according to what you're listening to. Then you can also go back and tap on equalizer. If you want to enhance bass, then you can tap bass boost. Or you can choose any other option, for example treble, or set a custom one. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.